Hello, you beautiful, and thank you so much for stopping by again. This time I will have another subscription box for December. This time is the Allure Beauty Box. As I told you in one of my last videos, subscription boxes for this month came so late. Finally, I got my Allure. I think I saw Marie Cantelli's unboxing and I liked the box. Let's see what I have in here. I will leave, as usual, all the information in the description box if you wanna check this subscription. And let's see what Allure has for December. In November they gave us a bunch of masks. So let's see what they chose for December. Regular box, they never change the print on the box. Let's see what in this one. First thing in here, a pretty nice girl here, and some information about the products that are in here. And let's go ahead and see what we have. I'm not gonna read all the, because it's a huge description for section for each one of them. Not gonna waste your time with that. Here is the box inside, and this is the first product that I was surprised to see when Marie Cantelli opened her box. And also I forgot to mention, thank you so much, Marie, for the Christmas card that you sent me. I forgot to mention that in my first video after I got the card, and I wanted to mention now. Thank you. First product in here, it's a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing wipes single. Is this very cute one, great for traveling. I was surprised to see one single wipe. Actually, I see here they come in a pack with I don't know how many, but there is a bag with those. I think those are great for to have in your purse to travel with them. Pretty cute packaging. I do like Neutrogena cleansing makeup remover wipes. Great and cute. Then we have in here a card, sleek, chic and multifunctional. Starting in January you'll discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including a collectible limited edition pouch to reuse or share. 6 amazing pics plus a bonus gift inside. Scratch to reveal 2 of the products you'll receive. Now I'm curious. So they will change the actual box. It seems like we're gonna get those cute bags, and definitely I prefer those bags. But right now I'm curious to see what it's gonna be in January. So finally I finished to scratch this one. So in my next bag I will have either Amica Nourishing Mask or Beauty Blender Micro Mini. I hope you can see the blender here in the Amica mask. And the second product is gonna be Douche Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry. And also as a bonus they will give us a list to my bag. Probably everybody gets the same thing. It's a nail polish from NCLA. So that's a spoilers for next month. I hope it didn't take too long. Anyway, let's see what else we have in here. We have a product that looks like a full size. This is Bliss, the Real Peel Brightener Blush Pink Peel Off Mask with pumpkin enzymes. Is this one, and this one comes in 60 grams, which is 2 fluid ounces. A good size. And I feel like Bliss comes more and more often with new products, and some of them are quite great. Then we have in here a full-size lipstick, and this one is from NYX Lingerie. It's professional makeup, and this one is Liply 24. Here is the shade of this one. Looks like this. It has a seal, so I'm not gonna swatch this one. Then we have a product that I was exciting to see. Is the Nubian by Juvia's. I don't own anything from this, but it's all over YouTube. So I heard it's a great. They have so many palettes, so many different palettes. So I'm glad to get this mini palette in here. And here is the eyeshadow palette, and let me show you the colors. And here is the colors in this palette. So I'm happy to try this brand because I heard so much about those eyeshadow palettes. So good item in here. Then we have LA Splash. This is Architect Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. Here is the packaging. Looks pretty nice in this gold, rose gold. And here is the tip of this one. Pretty nice. I like the tip, gives you a very thin line, which I love. So another great product. And the last thing in here, and I was so excited when I saw this one, Marie Candele unboxing. And I will leave of course her channel down below. Would be nice to stop and say hello, at least from me. This is the Ofra Highlighter Everglow palette in 3 shades. Pretty nice palette. Let me swatch this one. I love Ofra highlighters. Those are the 3 shades. Great pigmentation. I think my favorite is this one. It's a rosy gold and probably the lightest. But anyway, the 3 of them are looking great. So really happy to get this one. I would prefer to get 1 instead of 3 in the same packaging because it's so hard to pick them with the brush without mixing them. But anyway, lovely product in here. So we have the highlighter in 3 shades, beautiful shades from Ofra, Juvia, probably I'm not saying that right, but anyway, Juvia, the Nubian palette, 6 shades, Bliss, the peel mask, 1 single makeup remover wipe from Neutrogena, a full size NYX mascara, no, lipstick, liquid lipstick, and this eyeliner from LA Splash. So I think it's a great box for this month from Allure. I cannot wait to try the highlighter and the eyeshadow palette. So far I'm really happy with what I got. Let me know what do you think about Allure. It's $15 per month. I will leave their link down below if you want to check their website. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, if it's still Christmas. I don't know when I'm gonna post this one, so at least happy holidays. So I will see you soon. You have an amazing time. Bye bye.